In this video, guys, we will create a spirograph. Spirograph looks like this. It looks like a very difficult task to create something like this, but to be honest, it is not so difficult because it's only circle. After that, you move the turtle, for example, 10 degrees, 5 degrees, and so on, and create a new circle. Turn the turtle again, create a new circle, and so on and so on. So it's not so difficult. So, but we want to create it, okay? So I will create again from turtle, import big turtle and screen. Now import random, because we need to, you can see that every circle has a different color. So we will import random and create our function from the previous video. And import turtle. Why I am importing the turtle? I will show you, because you can change color mode on turtle. So we created like screen dot color mode 255, but now if you want, it's a different way how to create it. You can write here turtle.color mode 255. So maybe this is a better solution. So here we can create a screen like this, and screen exit on click. Perfect. So now we have everything what we need. Okay. So guys, we haven't created our turtle, so I will call the turtle Harry, for example, like this. Okay, I put here Harry shape turtle, and I would like to speed the turtle up, so I would put here speed 20. I will run it. Great, we have everything what we need. Perfect. So now we can create our spirograph. So, but at first I would like to create a function for color generating. So it means we need the function which generate the color. Do you remember how to do that? We can call it random color, for example, generator, something like this. And we will create R, G, and B. And we know there are numbers between 0 and 255. So random, rand in a t, int. Int means integer, so it will create the whole number between 0 and 255. And we can put it here. Here as well, and here as well. So in this variable, there will be a number between 0 and 255, here as well, okay? And we will create the color, and it will be RGB. So it means these variables. So here will be, for example, 100, here 150, here 30, for example, okay? But anytime it will be different. And we will return the color. So the result of this function, if we call it, there will be a color variable, and there is stored a tuple, and in the tuple there are numbers which create the color. Great. And now we need to create a spirograph. So I will use a for cycle, and I will call it number, for example, in range. And now the main question is how many times the cycle will go. So here in range we need to be careful, because we know that the circle, or the whole circle, there is how many degrees. So if you go, for example, from this to here, okay, it's 360 degrees, correct? 360, like this. So it means if it goes, for example, 36 times, that there can be a different number if you want. So it means at first I would put here Harry, and the pen color should be what? You can write here a specific color, but it means that every circle will be the same. But we have this function, so I would like to call random color here, and don't forget the brackets, because it means you call this function and it will return the RGB. So here it will end with some RGB tuple, and it means the color will be different all the time, or anytime the circle, anytime the cycle goes. So here I would put here array, and I say create a circle. That's very simple. That's so easy. And now you need to put here how big the circle should be. So I put here, for example, 70. If you want to have a bigger circle, it means you have to put here, for example, 90. Smaller circle, you put here, for example, 50. It's up to you guys. And here is the most important thing, that we need to, if the turtle create a circle, we need to shift the turtle to the left or right. Again, it's up to you. If you go right or left, I would put here, for example, left. But here you need to say which or how many degrees has to the turtle turn. So it means if you go 36 times and the turtle has to go around, so it means 360 degrees. So how big is the shift to the left? It's 10 degrees, correct? Because if you multiply this number and this number, it has to be 10 multiplied by 36, so it has to be 360. It means whole circle. Okay, the turtle starts here, move around or shift, and stay in the same position, or ends in the same position. Okay, if you put here, for example, 72, so it means here should be 5. Okay, because 72 multiplied by 5, it should be 360 as well. Okay, so it has to be these numbers. If you multiply it, it has to be 360 all the time. Okay, I will put here 36 and 10, and now it should work. So we will see. I will delete this. Perfect. I will run it. Oh, and we have a spirograph. Perfect. So if you put here, or you can see, maybe I will comment this out for a while. Okay, so you can see there are only circles. So anytime the circle is created, the turtle move or shift to the left we have 10 degrees and create a new circle, and so on and so on. And the pen color, you can see it has a different color. So this is how to create a spirograph. So I will delete the command and speed it up. And here, if you want, you can, for example, put here not 70, 100. So it means the spirograph will be bigger, like this. You can put here, for example, 30. It will be small, like this. Okay, I will stay with 70, for example. If you want a higher dance of the circles, you can put here 72, and it turn to the left about 5 degrees. 5 multiplied by 72 is 360. Okay, and the density is bigger. You can see, you can compare this and this. Okay, so it means more circles is there. Okay, and so on and so on. You can play with it as you wish. So perfect. We created a spirograph.